everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find a customer placing the largest number of orders. We have a table of orders with order number and customer number, and we need to output a customer number ID who placed the largest number of orders. For example, customer number 3 placed 2 orders, while other customers placed 1 order each. In SQL, we write a select statement. We need to display only one column, customer number, and we need to group by customer number in order to have each customer separately. Now we order by the total of order number placed by each customer. To calculate the total order number placed by each customer, we use the function count, and it will count all order numbers for each group of customers separately. Descending says that at the beginning we will have the maximum total of orders grouped by customer number. Since we need to show only one customer who has placed the largest number of orders, in the select statement we write top 1. Now let's run the query. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we take the data frame orders, the column customer number, and we count the values for each customer number. In order to return the index customer number of the highest count, we use the function idxmax. And we will save this into the dataset called top customer. Now we can return the result as a data frame. Our data frame consists of a header, the name of the column, customer number, and the value for that column, which will be top customer. Let's run the code. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Grouping and displaying top 1 customer number in SQL, or counting the values in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.